Hi Anita.
Namaste Shukarna.
First tell me how are you?
I'm very good and thank you to you and your magazine for being always with us.
And you're looking so pretty, matching shoe with your dress. Looking.
I'm wearing another shoes after this, but that's a stiletto. So
Okay.
I'm just walking around now.
Exactly. Okay, please tell me what are you going to showcase today? তুমি আজকের ইভেন্টে যে শর্টে একটুখানি বলো যেটা তুমি করছো।
See, তোমরা তো সবসময় জানো Anibi is like we curate fashion with the message.
Yeah.
Fashion shows with message. তো আজকে আমরা করছি Glam on Ganges যেখানে again we are showcasing the three best designers of the town. One is Chandra Mukherjee, she just worked for Calcutta Times Fashion Week. The other one is Neha Tulsiya, and then Sia Moda, that's by Khushbu Agarwal. So again, we are giving platform to the women who are talented.
ভেরি নাইস। তোমার মাথায় এইটা কেন এলো যে জলের ওপর করতে হবে গঙ্গার বুকে?
আমি টু বি ভেরি অনেস্ট এই জায়গাটাতে ঢুকে এত সুন্দর, তোমরা তো নিশ্চয়ই দেখেছো উপরে নিচে, and this club is amazing. So I wanted I and Shomi we spoke and we wanted to curate something different, something with the nightlife and glamour and again another message to the society. So we thought to name it as Glam on Ganges, which is an exotic fashion show. Why it's exotic? We are like showcasing exotic designers collections, and as well as we have taken the models who are exceptional in it.
আচ্ছা কটা শো হচ্ছে টোটাল?
আজকে তিনটে রাউন্ড there, and again we have a message that we are taking showstoppers from all the community. I mean,
okay.
One LGBTQ, one male actor, and there are 3 female actors.
বাহ, ভেরি গুড। তোমার তো সবসময় কিছু না কিছু নতুন হয়, এটাও একটা ইউনিক তোমার ইনিশিয়েটিভ। তো সেটা ভেবে তোমার কেমন লাগছে? তুমি সবসময় নতুন কিছু করো।
আন্টিল আনলেস আমি ওটা মানে I'll see it's happening, I won't boast about it, but yes, I cross my finger. তোমাদের সাপোর্ট তো সবসময় আছে সঙ্গে, I'm sure we are going to rock.
Very well said and wish you all the very best for today. Thank you.